चवथो लिंक टावर रन आयतारा पणजे जालो. पाटो प्लाझा वयल्यो 5 बिल्डिंगो मेळून 840 सोपाणां चढपाची आनी देंवपाची ही सर्त. अश्यो सर्ती अमेरिका आनी हेर भायल्या देशांनी जातात. शरीर तंदुरुस्त उरचें हो ताचे फाटलो हेतू. ह्या वेळार झुंबा कार्यावळूय जाली.
And the first participant is off.
Very good. Only the bait is only one guy, please. Take it 5-5. It is better.
Tower running is actually a new concept, and new means it's new to India. It's been around globally since the 1960s, and it's one of the fastest growing global urban sports today in the world. There are like over 1,000 tower runs happening in nearly 100 countries, and practically every week there's a tower run happening somewhere or the other. I wouldn't say every week, I would say every day. All the corporate districts and business districts in various countries have tower run races happening. And the format here, what we have got is you're supposed to have at least 35 floors to be eligible for a tower run race. So we use 5 buildings here, 7 floors each. And we've got the individual event, which is all 5 buildings. We've got the team race, which is a relay where a baton is passed and 1 runner per building. And we've got the vertical sprint, which is 1 building where you just do 1 building and come down. The other thing is we're also trying to make this into sort of a sports festival with nutrition, health, diet, and fitness. Like you got Zumba, now we're going to have a capoeira show happening. So we're trying to merge the physical arts with sport. Music, art, sports. We're trying to merge everything together. So that's the whole vision and whole concept of the Goa Tower Run. And Adventure Breaks is pioneering this effort in bringing this into Goa and now into India in a big way.
ओल्ड गोवा अवर लेडी ऑफ माउंट कपेला चालू आशिल्ल्या मोंद म्युझिक फेस्टिवलाक बरो प्रतिसाद मेळटा. फुंदासा ओरिएंट आनी सिधा दी गोवा फाटली 15 वर्सां हो फेस्टिवल आयोजीत करता. पळयात कांय खिणचित्रां. हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीरय लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात. नमस्कार.